What do you like about Panama City Beach?
I like that it has clear water and you can snorkel.
Yeah, buddy.
She's right. Panama City Beach has some of the clearest water here on the Gulf Coast. And the jetties here at St. Andrews State Park has some of the best snorkeling in the area. And the sea life is abundant. Continue watching and I'll show you. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and the notification bell to see more videos. Also, you can follow me on social media, TheToneman Gulf Coast Snorkeling, on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Those links are listed in the video description below. Thanks for watching.